I lived in Germany for a while, and one of my favorite cakes there, and there are many, was the Black Forest cake. And what's special about it is the cherries and the cream and the chocolate. Ooh, we're going to draw a piece today, and I'm going to get mouth-wateringly hungry for it. I know I am. We're going to make it look absolutely delectable and ready to pluck off that page and eat after we're done drawing. I want to get my hands on this soon. Where's my fork? You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.